This is my sister and my puppy.
This is Man King playing with his new chew doggy
Fred.
toy. His name's Fred. And he squeaks. And he likes to give kisses to King. Sit. Oh, okay, okay. He likes to do me. Oh, slow. You is slow. Slow doggy. Oh, cry. Well, you know what? You need to be fast.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, he got his ears.
It smells like pee.
He likes to play. Oh, shit. No. There. There we go.
Yeah. Bye, to stop.